Turn up, man. That's how I make my beats this year, man. Turn up, man. What up, baby? Mwah.
You're doing too much.
She scared. How she got her hand over her face? She don't see me. She see me though. It's Major League. I'm like right off on the TV though. And this Major League, it was like a week ago. I'm steady rapping. How the fuck you rapping when I'm trapping, my nigga? Gotta get your hustle on, get your weight up, homie. Got an onion on me, cost a couple dollars, homie. Crank up, yeah, you couldn't turn me off. This bitch, she get me hard, never soft. Smiling, I'm so perfect. She's so groovy, she's worth it. Miss Buttersworth, with her curves, right? I gotta hold her tight every day and night. I told these niggas get they bread, right? Then we do this shit here, nigga, like every night. Man, this Major League, I'm like Major Trees. And when you're looking for me, you find me in the trap, nigga, rap, nigga. How the fuck you rapping when I'm trapping, my nigga? How the fuck you trapping when I'm rapping, my nigga? Rap, nigga, scrap, nigga, trap, nigga. Yeah, I gotta do it for my trap niggas and my scrap niggas. Trap hard, hustle nigga, man, this hustle trees. LRG, rooted to the street, you know who it be. Dizzle, Izzle, man, D-I-Z-Z-L-E-M-A-N. Out of space ghost, nigga, alien. Looking for me, come and find me. I be surrounded with the money. Told her mommy get this money, so she get the money. It's right behind her though. Yeah, she got that ass clap. Yeah, like to know your clap. Yeah, make that ass clap. Groovy in this bitch, make that movie in this bitch. Major League, we do this shit. Bring it back, bring it back, bring it back, bring it back to the trap, where I'm at, let's go. Turn up. What you mean? It's Major League. It's just what we do. How the fuck you trapping when I'm rapping, my nigga? How the fuck you rapping when I'm trapping, my nigga? How the fuck you rapping when I'm trapping, my nigga? Hey! Turn up in this bitch. I already know what I mean, my nigga. I already know what I need, my nigga. Major League, Major we all I need. Hey, all I trust, my nigga. I already know, put my trust in God. I already know, cause I'm higher than the sun. I already know, cause I'm elevated, nigga. Meditation 3, I'm skating on this beat. You already know who the fuck this be. Beat this beat like I beat them eating. I already know, gotta eat that. That pussy, nigga. Hey, that pussy, ho. You know it's Major League, nigga. This just how I float. Turn up. Meditation 3, nigga. By the way, it's just what we do, and I can bring that beat back anytime I want to, nigga, cause I'm a trap, nigga. Better get this shit together, man. That's what we doing this shit, man. Making the best beats, man. No matter what you give me, nigga, I'm coming back, nigga. 100 pounds heavier from eating them little shrimp ass niggas. Trap, nigga. Rap, nigga. Trap, nigga. How the fuck you rapping when I'm trapping, my nigga? How the fuck you trapping when I'm rapping, my nigga? I don't know, you tell me that. It's just like that in-depth shit, you know what I mean? It's an interview, it's a DVD, it's a movie. It's on YouTube though, man. You ain't even spinning this shit no DVD shit. You can't even see what the fuck I see shit, nigga. Call that motherfucking depth perception, motherfucker. Looking for me, nigga, I'm right behind you, bitch. Yeah, going by the honor. Going by the honor, nigga. Get this money, nigga. Cause that's just what we do, man. Make the baddest beats. Dopest shit ever heard, nigga. Major League Music Group, my nigga. Say word, what's poppin'? Hot, slide, glide, trapping, my nigga. On the skateboard, nigga, with a backpack, nigga, and a whole bunch of motherfucking work, nigga. Fuck you mean, nigga? I ain't out here for nothing, man. Hustler of the year, producer of the year. We #1. Who hotter than that? You better go look me up, man. Them numbers don't lie. Them numbers don't lie. Hi. Hi. How you doing? How you doing? Hey. Major League. ENT, bitch. It's the entertainment.